Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Twin Magic. In this video we're gonna show you a cool and amazing car magic trick that you can fool anyone. We perform it for our relatives and our parents. They love it and it fools them. But you should add this that if you do wanna do a trick for a professional magician, then this one it's not for you because they know all the basics, and this trick, the important part, it's made from basics, so they will know, and yeah, you can do anything. So yeah, let's start the trick. Here's the performance. You start to shuffle the cards. Even the spectator can do it. So yeah, now we tell them to choose a card. They will say stop right here. We can see it if the spectator didn't like, so we don't see it, but it's 10 of hearts. Again, we tell them to put their card somewhere in the middle of the deck. They will say here 10 of hearts. So yeah, we cut cards. So right now we shuffle the cards. Okay, right now we tell the spectator please say stop at anyone that they want. They will say stop right here. We do this. No, we tell them that everything is clear and fair. We did all the things that you want. It was completely clear and fair. It was a random choice. You said, you told us to say stop and said stop right here. What was your call for the first time? They will say 10 of hearts. You say what? You say stop, and that was the place that your card was in there. It was 10 of heart. Was that correct? So yeah, let's see the tutorial. So to perform this trick, you don't need any setup. You can shuffle the cards as many times as you want. This is not important. So yeah, and now we tell them to choose a card and go one by one like this. This time you'll go like this. It is Jack of clubs. You tell them to put a sum in the middle of the deck. Here we use a pinky. Actually, we told you in our videos that what is pinky. Our previous video, go and you can learn more magic with those, and go full again anyone that you like. So now we use our pinky to break from this pile and this pile like this. Now when you put, that was their card, use your pinky. When you put here is completely fair, but here we did a pinky break. We cut the cards like this. Now we control their card to the top of the deck. Okay, so yeah, and now let's see, we don't we will make the spectator card face up. I want to notice that. So now we tell them to say stop. They'll say stop right here. Now when they say stop, you grab this pile, put it right here and like this. Now they think their real trace is this one. Actually this is face down, but we for learned it better, we made it face up. So actually their choice, they say stop right here, it's 12 club, but they don't know. Actually we made them to they think that this is their card. We can say like that. So we say that actually this one is like that. They'll say, so right now you say stop right here, what was your card? They will say like we don't know. Or if you saw it, we will say it was Jack of clubs. We'll say it's Jack of clubs. So yeah, this was our video. It's a great magic trick that you can fool anyone, and it's so great. And but as you say, you cannot do it for professional magicians because they will notice it and they know it. So yeah, So that was our video, the performance and the tutorial. We hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Have a nice day and goodbye.